Okay, so the question we're doing today is called G5.2. G5.2. Okay? Now, does everyone have that question up in front of them? And that's the question I have for you. So we're looking in front, I'm looking at the question. Do we start on the top left or top right? Top left. Because we're going to start up here and we're going to draw our elevation. And then we're going to look down first. Look down. And then what we're going to do is we're going to see at the end we're going to put our plan down here somewhere. And then we're going to look at the end elevation from this side, okay? So, I'm just going to draw this someplace. Okay, so I've drawn a line across here. Do we see that? So that's just kind of, what's that called? We have a word for it. It's 2 letters. XY line. So that's my XY line, okay? XY axis or XY line? Just the XY line is best for this. So, boys and girls, I want to draw the base. I want to draw the bottom of the base. How big is it? 115. Perfect. So I'm going to draw a line across here. 115. Okay. Now I'm going to just draw this line up nice and lightly. What's called a construction line. So we've got a construction line here, okay? And we're going to draw it up. So, how big is my, see the way it kind of sits on almost like a, what I call a pedestal or something like that? How big is that? How thick is it? So we're looking down on it. I want to see the thickness here. How thick is it? Or 15? Thank you, Hilton. Okay, so we've got a 15 millimeters. Yes, Charles?
How far apart are those 2 lines?
These two here?
Yeah.
They're 115. Okay. Okay, so the next thing is I'm going to start, there's kind of like an outcrop here, okay? So something that comes up. So, yes? It's just this line here. This is a light construction line, Philip. So this line here is just 15 millimeters, okay? And that's just a light construction line. Okay, so I'm going to start drawing the kind of like the whole thing now, okay? So tell me, anyone have a guess of how I'm going to do that? How I'm going to draw this whole piece here? Alright, the next thing, the outcrop, beg your pardon, that was bad English there. So, I've got my outcrop here. What's the first thing I'm going to do? Martina, please. Okay, so you wanted me to mark out 70 millimeters here. Sorry? Here? Like that? I think it does matter. It's 70 out here. That's our first. So this is kind of like our outer border of the... We're going to draw this line up nice and straight, okay? Sorry? That was out 70, okay? Now, I'll let everyone catch up there for 1 second. Yes, Raj? Yeah, 1 second. Oh, I'm just going to get it. Sorry? Yeah, you're going to do that. Let's draw the plan first, okay? G2 in this code. No. G.